Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Clippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Hyundai i30, stock reference number 4447. This shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 4th month 2012. It has a G4 GC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. G4 GC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end with the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left front guard has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has two small dents, left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with average tyre. Unfortunately nothing has survived on the rear end apart from the parcel shelf. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.